Hello everyone, welcome to the vlog.
Okay, we're at the airport now. It is Spain. Well, first we fly to Atlanta, then we fly to Spain. Yeah, let's do it. Alright guys, we're here in Atlanta, gonna get on this plane to Spain. Going on the plane to Spain. Headed out soon. It's gonna be a really long flight, but it's not a big deal, you know? We're just gonna try and sleep maybe, gonna play some Nintendo Switch, and listen to a ton of music. Let's do it. Just made it to Spain, got off the plane. It's like 8 in the morning and I'm really tired, but it's fine. We made it to Spain. Go us. Alright, first full day here in Spain. Just got done having a delicious breakfast. I think we're going to Toledo today. And gonna see a bunch of cool medieval stuff there. Hopefully we'll get some of it. But yeah, we're just gonna be going today until probably like 6:30, and then we have some free time and I'll grab some dinner and walk around, see some stuff. Yeah, I'll bring you guys with me.
What you are from Where
are we headed?
Toledo, right? Is that how you say it? I'm like meeting all my aspirations.
I need your loving, like the sunshine. I need your loving, like the sunshine. I need your loving, like the sunshine.
Living here in Toledo. We're walking over to a cathedral. I think we're gonna be there for a little bit. So that's really exciting. Headed over following our tour guide. Yeah. So we just finished lunch. It was delicious. So we got about an hour here in Toledo, and gonna go explore, probably aerially. So I'll throw some drone footage up. I'm gonna go scout out some spots now and hopefully shoot some really cool stuff. So yeah, here it is. Alright guys, we're out here exploring Madrid. It's raining a little bit. We got friends. It's a good time. We got rain, we got sun, we got fun. Hell yeah.
Starts to pour, we go under the cathedral.
When she's just taking a picture to get a picture taken.
Oh, she's
Ooh, vlog secrets exposed. Got him.
the next tape is dropping tomorrow. Just take it.
Ready? How do we feel?
Are you jumping?
3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Wait.
Oh, there it is. Vlog.
Watch yourself.
Yeah. Got a camera right there. Got the screen.
Oh,
You can see yourself. That's why I have this camera, you know. Hey, it's your boy.